Yo, what's going on? Today we've got ourselves the Spkpal, Spkpal, the Spkpal. Yo, we got the Spkpal RBG speakers. These are RGB gaming speakers. So shout out to this company for sending through these speakers to review. I'll leave the link down in the description below so you can go and check it out. Now these are 5 watt 2-channel audio speakers. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys and see what's going on. Sweet. So these are nice and lightweight, first impressions. Which is good. So, you know, if you did need to move them around, or you're someone who's working on your setup and you couldn't have them stationary or like mounted anywhere specific or screwed into speaker stands, and these are going to be a good shout for you. Yeah, man, it's literally just USB-A and a 3.5 aux. So essentially the USB will provide the power for the speakers, and then yeah, you're all good to go, man. You've got a volume notch on one side, which provides a satisfying click to let you know that it's on or off, and obviously the volume. Now when you're actually twisting this knob, there's feedback, like little notches, so that you can actually feel, you know, I guess where exactly you're at with regard to the volume. And there's also an indentation on the volume knob to indicate exactly where you are in terms of the volume as well. So that's all good, man. You've got a little indication on the left and right of the volume knob with a highlighted circle to show you that that's minimum and maximum. So that's a nice addition. Overall, they're nice and lightweight. We'll get these bad boys plugged in and see what they're actually looking like. Let me go and grab a power source. Turn these bad boys on. Sweet. So there's the lights. Changing RGB as well. Obviously you can't, there's no software, so you can't control you know, the lights in any way in terms of choosing a color or choosing a preference for the rotation between the different lights. But aesthetically, it's pretty cool, man. So if you've got some RGB set up to sort of run with, then this is going to be a nice addition for you. Let's fling on some royalty-free. Is it royalty-free Amapiano? Let's try Amapiano, man. Royalty-free Amapiano. Let's crank the volume up and let's see what we've got. Big up Major League DJs on that. Amapiano vibes and that. Alright. So at the minute, this is volume about halfway. It's clear enough, it's alright. Here we go. You want to get some bass sound, though? Internet just doing what the internet does. Out here. Internet doing what the internet does out here. Just hella buffering. Come on, get to some bass so that we can hear the bass. There you go. So So the bass is on the little on the flatter side, so not too heavy on the bass. But for 5-watt speakers, it's alright, man. It'll get you out of trouble. So let's go ahead and turn the volume up to max and just see what we're dealing with.
I'm living in my pride. I am a woman. I am a mother. I am a daughter. And I'm living in my pride.
Alright, so at max, it doesn't sound pleasurable. I wouldn't say that there's distortion, but it isn't great. So I'll probably say anywhere between sort of halfway and 75% volume would be alright. Halfway is probably the sweet spot. In terms of loudness, it's definitely loud. It fills a large room. So yeah, man, these are good. These are decent. It's alright. Alright, anyway, that wraps it up. Appreciate it for watching. Leave a comment. Subscribe for more.
Okay, the porch is on.
I didn't ask you to turn on the porch, Siri, but safe anyway. Bless up.